I am happy in the harmony of God. Now there are diversities of gifts, but the same Spirit. And there are diversities of operations, but it is the same God, which works in all. 1 Corinthians 12:4-6. We do not all have the same gifts, because no two anythings are ever alike. Nature never reproduces anything identical, and there are diversities of operations. We are all engaged in different types and sorts of activities that express the unique individualization that each one of us is. But it is the same God working in all of us. This is one of the most terrific concepts we could entertain. That out of all the variations of life, the infinite variety of color and form and people, the rosebud, the elephant, the snow-capped mountains, the tiny mouse in a field, one power is working, one life is being expressed, one energy is animating, one presence flowing through, and one law controlling. The one mind is working in and through us now, not as big or little, or hard or easy, but merely as spontaneous self-expression. Back of our smallest act is the strength of the universe. Behind all thoughts is the infinite thinker. Diffused through every human activity is the divine presence. Today, I am realizing that all my thoughts are formulated in the divine mind. All of my actions are sustained by the infinite energy. All the power there is and all the presence there is right where I am. Therefore, I open the channels of my thought to the influx of this divine presence that is now doing something unique and different through me. I feel the impact of this presence in my own mind. I sense its feeling and imagination in my own thinking. I see it operating through all my actions, and since there is no big or little, everything becomes important because everything is the self-expression of that within me that doth all things well. Therefore, I surrender myself completely to that one power, that one all-knowing mind, that one presence, which is beauty and love and peace and joy.